Welcome to Exam Sale. This script outlines the Genesys Cloud Certified Professional, Reporting and Analytics syllabus and what you need to master to pass the certification. This exam is split into 5 domains with exact weightings: performance views and dashboards at 30%, historical reporting at 30%, reporting and analytics overview at 15%, quality management and interaction analytics at 15%, and reporting APIs and data management at 10%. You will learn both conceptual foundations and hands-on skills, and the assessment types range from scenario-based questions to practical configuration tasks. Focus your study on the higher weight domains first while ensuring you understand the core analytics fundamentals. Performance views and dashboards is 30% of the exam, rated medium difficulty with about 12 hours of study and a hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn to monitor contact center activity in real time using the Queues Activity View and Interactions View, interpret agent performance and status summaries, and apply filters to isolate media types or work teams. The syllabus also covers creating and sharing custom dashboards, adding and configuring widgets, using wallboard displays, setting threshold-based alerts, and managing dashboard ownership and visibility for accurate operational monitoring. Historical reporting is also 30% of the exam, medium difficulty with an estimated 10 hours of learning and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment items. Candidates will learn to select the right report templates for agent and queue analysis, configure parameters like date ranges and media types, and generate reports in formats such as PDF and CSV. You will interpret key metrics like service level and average speed of answer, distinguish detail versus summary reports, analyze wrap-up code usage, and set up recurring schedules and delivery while troubleshooting scheduling or delivery issues and managing retention. Reporting and analytics overview is 15% of the exam, rated easy with about 6 hours of study and conceptual assessment tasks. This domain builds your foundation by explaining the Genesys Cloud reporting architecture, how to navigate the analytics and performance menus, and the impact of time zones on aggregated data. You will also learn standard terminology such as ACD, IVR, and skills, the difference between real-time and historical data processing, and where to find system status and data freshness indicators. Quality management and interaction analytics makes up 15% of the exam, rated hard with roughly 10 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. You will be able to analyze quality evaluation scores across agents and queues, check evaluator consistency, monitor recording compliance, and interpret development trends from evaluation data. The domain also covers speech and text analytics to identify trending topics, analyze sentiment, configure programs and topics for automated categorization, use content search to find phrases, and interpret silence and talk over metrics in voice interactions. Reporting APIs and data management accounts for 10% of the exam, is rated hard, requires about 8 hours of study, and includes hands-on and conceptual assessment items, study role and permission configuration and division-based access control for analytics data, learn the analytics permission category requirements, and practice auditing report access and exports. You will also learn the analytics query builder capabilities, relevant conversation and observation endpoints, how to configure the analytics data exporter for BI integration, manage API rate limits, and evaluate App Foundry integrations. Focus your preparation on hands-on practice with performance views and historical reports while reinforcing fundamentals and governance topics. Use the official Genesys documentation for each topic. Practice building dashboards and queries, and review scheduling, compliance, and API examples to cement your skills. Good luck on the exam and study consistently to turn this syllabus into practical mastery.